Welcome back to Tech Vibe. Today we're diving into a gaming laptop that wants to be more than just fast. The Acer Predator 2025 Helios Neo 16 SAI. This year's model is not only about raw specs, it's about bringing AI-enhanced gaming, creative workflows, and performance tuning into one seriously aggressive machine. Let's talk about what it feels like to actually game on it. Out of the box, the Neo 16 throws you into high frame rate bliss. AAA games, like Cyberpunk 2077 and Starfield run with ray tracing maxed out, staying smooth and steady, even at high resolutions. Esports titles like Apex Legends and Valorant blast past the 200 FPS mark with no screen tearing or stutters. Especially paired with that fast refresh display. And here's where the AI twist comes in. Acer's built-in AI performance manager can detect when you're playing competitive titles and automatically optimize CPU and GPU performance while adjusting cooling to keep frames consistent. The display is one of its biggest selling points, a 16-inch high refresh rate panel with deep contrast, vivid colors, and fast response times. Whether you're gaming or editing video, it feels sharp and immersive. Adaptive sync keeps everything smooth, and HDR support makes bright scenes pop without crushing dark details. Design-wise, the 2025 Helios Neo looks like it belongs in the Predator lineup. Sharp lines, metallic accents, customizable RGB lighting, and a sturdy chassis that feels built to take a beating. It's not ultra-thin, but for the cooling power inside, it's impressively slim for a gaming laptop. The hinge is firm, the keyboard deck is solid with no flex, and the overall feel screams durability. Under the hood, you get the latest Intel 14th Gen HX processors paired with high-end NVIDIA RTX 40 series GPUs plus AI-powered upscaling like DLSS 3.5 for even better performance in demanding games. Cooling is handled by Acer's dual-fan AeroBlade system with liquid metal on the CPU, keeping temperatures in check even under extended load. In turbo mode, you'll hear the fans, but the payoff is sustained performance without throttling. The keyboard is a joy for both gaming and typing. Tactile keys with satisfying travel, perky, RGB lighting, and a layout that gives you plenty of room without awkward spacing. The trackpad is smooth and accurate, but let's be honest, you'll be plugging in a mouse for gaming. AI isn't just in performance tuning. The Neo 16 uses Acer's AI noise reduction in the dual mic array for crystal clear voice chat, AI-powered background blur in the webcam for streaming or calls, and even AI-assisted overclocking suggestions if you want to squeeze out every drop of power without the guesswork. Speakers are loud and clear, with enough bass to make explosions feel weighty. They're not replacing a good headset for competitive play, but for watching movies or casual gaming, they get the job done nicely. Battery life is better than you might expect for a performance machine. Thanks to AI-driven power management, you can get several hours of productivity use away from the charger, but heavy gaming will still drain it quickly, as expected from this class of hardware. Charging is fast with the included high-wattage brick. Connectivity is excellent. Multiple USB-C and USB-A ports, HDMI 2.1, a microSD reader, 2.5 gigabits Ethernet, and Wi-Fi 7 for blazing wireless speeds. You can easily hook up multiple monitors, external storage, and a full gaming setup without adapters. Value-wise, the Helios Neo 16 SAI sits in the premium gaming laptop tier, but it gives you flagship-level performance, future-ready AI features, and a design built to last. For gamers who also do creative work, it's a compelling all-in-one machine. Pros: high performance, excellent display, AI-enhanced optimization, strong build quality, and great port selection. Cons: fans get loud under heavy load, and battery life while gaming is still short. But that's typical for this much power. Final verdict: the Acer Predator 2025 Helios Neo 16 SAI isn't just another spec bump. It's a well-rounded AI-aware gaming laptop that makes the most of its hardware for both play and work. If you want a machine that's smart enough to optimize itself while delivering top-tier gaming experiences, this one earns its Predator badge. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss our next deep dive into the best gear in gaming and tech.